5 foot in length there. Here comes Dean Harrison. Looked like he lifted up there over the jump, and the front wheel come up in the air there. Nice jump there. See him get back on the throttle aggressively as soon as he knows the front. Here we have a replay. Michael Dunlop over Selborne Drive. Nice and smooth as you like.
I just want to take a minute to also thank you for watching my videos and the support that you've shown so far. If you haven't subscribed already and you would like to subscribe, it would mean an awful lot to me if you did. I'm starting this channel realistically so that we can all enjoy MotoGP together, with the aim of streaming a live video when the GP races are on.